recovering old documents from Symantec Q&A and encountered DFW files. This is a document file from the discontinued Q&A write word processor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful DFW file inspection tool. A DFW file is a word processing document created with Q&A write, a component of the Symantec Q&A software suite, popular in the DOS and early Windows era. Users who encounter this file today are typically trying to recover or convert legacy business or personal documents into a modern format like DOCX or PDF. The DFW format is a proprietary binary file designed specifically for the Q&A write application. Its internal structure was optimized for performance on older systems, containing raw text interspersed with non-standard control codes for formatting, e.g. bold, italics, margins, that are not directly readable by modern word processors. To gain full access to DFW, the application needed is Q&A from Symantec. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows offers a limited display, so complete control over the document requires proper tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your DFW file and choose Open With. Test Q&A first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If you cannot access the DFW file, no problem. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your DFW file is not opening. First, opening in Q&A. If you have a legacy Q&A installation, launch Q&A, write and use file, then get to load the DFW file. The application displays the document with formatting preserved, enabling printing, review, or export to alternative formats using available conversion options. Next, converting to modern formats. Use Q&A. Write export tools to save documents as plain text or RTF format for use in modern word processors. The exported file may lose some formatting, but preserves the textual content, enabling import into Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, or other current applications. Finally, recovering without Q&A. Use file recovery tools or hex editors to extract textual content from DFW files when Q&A is unavailable. The text content is typically readable as ASCII among the binary formatting data, allowing manual extraction of document text for entry into modern word processors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.